Thank you for tuning in to this edition of the Vulcan Report Pre-Market Pulsescan. Today is Wednesday, August the 23rd, 2017. The time is 19 minutes after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Markets have been rather boring, not a lot going on, just a lot of whipsawing around, but not really. If you take a look at the overnight here, the Dow's down about 80 points, trading at 21,806. NASDAQ's at 58.47 and three quarters, down 30 and a half. E-mini S&P down 11 and a half points at 24.41 quarter. Russell holding on, down 8.9 at 1361.90. Nat gas at $2.90, has been averaging that for the last couple of days. Gold is up $3.50 at 1294.50. Silver is struggling to stay above $17, trading at $17.03.5, up about 5 cents. Oil is down 15 cents at $47.67.5. Long bond got even more powerful overnight. It is now at 156.08. Yields are plummeting, folks. Can't raise rates when yields are dropping without causing undue harm. Looking at the beans, beans are up $8 and 8.50, so $8.50 at 9.46. And the euro came back above 118, trading at 118.08, but it's up 42 pips. The pound is down 35 pips at 128.04, and the Aussie is down 16 pips at 78.90, and the US dollar index giving some back, down 21 pips. Now it's now trading at $93.32. All right. Someone had asked me if I would please look at the USD JPY, which in other words known as the dollar yen. So let's take a look and see what the dollar yen is doing. All right, so it's booting up rather slowly, but at least it's booting up. And while that's booting up, let's see here what we got. I know it was on here, now I don't see it, so let me go to my other thingamajig. Let's see what the Forex is doing. On today's sheet, we have a rally alert for the yen today. I have a rally alert in the yen, but it's been in a down trending situation with negative momentum. And according to the algorithms, it's showing that it is now trying to go parabolic, or has been. Looking at the screen, you can see that it is in an established downtrend channel, flirting with dropping below the Kumo cloud, and just not having what you would expect for a rally. We had a rally alert, but it's not doing it. It's just not doing it. It's weak here, folks. Let's see. Price inflection point intraday has already broken the intraday supports. Therefore, the price inflection point has been triggered, and this market is, as you can see, been losing this momentum on the weekly. Weekly momentum is down. So we do believe that even though it's showing an oversold situation right here, we think this is locking in, and we're going to precipitate to the downside in the dollar yen. Sorry that it's going that way, but that is what it is. As far as crash alerts go in the Forex space, we got a crash alert. Actually, it's an overbought alert in the euro. We have just the yen, and Yeah, yeah, yen and euro, but really the yen, the the yen dollar also. So yeah, it's not looking good there. As far as rally alerts go in forex, we only have one, and that's the dollar yen. The dollar yen has a rally alert. As far as momentum goes, yep, that's going to be your best bet. Let's see what else we got going on here. That's pretty much it. I'm not really feeling anything else as far as trends go. Anything that's like really possibly breaking out. With the except, you got the euro pound. The euro pound looks like it may do something, and the euro Aussie may do something, and that's about it. There's really nothing impressive for me on that sheet for today. All right, let's look at some other notables here. We got, and of course, I'm speaking of the weekly sheet here. Crash alert in GDXJ, crash alert in US Steel, crash alert in the TLT bonds. So this is going to be interesting. Crash alert in the gold futures, crash alert in Nugget and JNUG, crash alert in Cone, crash alert for Bitcoin, Apple, dry ships, silver, nat gas, and the cobalt CIE ticker. BTSC will be affected by that as well. And we got an overbought in the ETF, the iShares US Treasury Bond, ticker GOVT. All right, so those are notable crash alerts for today. We'll have to watch. Some of these, like I said, are broken. They have both rally and crash alerts. Those that are broken is silver, nat gas, the cobalt ticker CIE, and BTSC. Those are broken because we have both rally and crash alerts in those. All right, let's look at just the pure rally alerts. USO, United States Oil ETF, has one. Steam has a rally alert. Crude oil futures have a rally alert. Advanced Auto Parts, excuse me, the Financial Spider, XLF, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, OIH, Starbucks, the S&P Regional Banking ETF, KRE, Consumer Discretionary ETF, XLY. Let's see, PIVX in the crypto space has a rally alert. The Russell has a rally alert. And we already discussed the yen, the Dow Transports, ticker IYT, Russell IWM. There's a rally alert there. You have a lot of rally alerts today, folks. IBM has a rally alert. XLE has a rally alert. Let's see here. Dust, JDST. The XIV has a rally alert. Amazon has one. Litecoin has a rally alert, and GameStop has a rally alert, and Ethereum. All of the above have rally alerts. As far as our oversold readings for the day, let's see. Dry ships is on the broken list. Okay, SPY definitely has an oversold alert, along with the QQQ and the euro yen. The euro yen has an oversold, so we expect to see a possible rally there, and the E-mini S&P. Now, it's funny because if you look over here at this chart, you see that the stock indexes are down rather sharply at the moment. All right. So it looks like that rally alert is not going to play out, but we shall see because what we lead within 3 to 5 bars out. All right. So if it doesn't play out this week, it's possible we have until Friday technically. So we'll see what happens. You just never know how things may manifest themselves. But like I said, typically 3 to 5 bars out. So we'll see what's up. All right. And as far as anything to talk about in the news, anything newsworthy at the moment, let's see. Trump threatens to shut down the government over border wall funding. The obstructionist Democrats would like us not to do it. But believe me, if we have to close down our government, we're building that wall. That's a quote from President Donald Trump. He said that um, at a rally in Arizona. Very interesting, isn't it? UK business confidence is falling ahead of Brexit. A survey of 601 businesses conducted by Recruitment and Employment Confederation found 31% of employers expected that UK economy to worsen, compared with 28% expecting it to improve. Well, they've already proven that their surveys and things of that nature mean absolute bunk, because these are the same people that were saying, "Oh, there's a 100% chance that the Brexit vote is not going to go," and it went. So we know where that goes. All right, that was the opening bell, so we'll see how things look interesting by the time we finish this. A typhoon shut down markets in Hong Kong. Hong Kong Stock Exchange was closed Wednesday as Typhoon Hato caused authorities to raise the storm warning to its highest level for the first time in 5 years. Google and Walmart are joining forces to take on Amazon. Starting in September, Google's e-commerce platform, Google Express, will count Walmart among its list of vendors. Apple scales back its car ambitions. Apple has all but abandoned its plan to build a car in its own factories and is shifting focus to building self-driving systems for other vehicles, according to the New York Times. Let's see. Herbalife has a plan that could squeeze Bill Ackman. The multi-level marketer has decided to execute a modified Dutch auction through which it plans to buy back $600 million worth of stock at $60 to $68 a share. Salesforce beats on the top and bottom lines. The application software provider earned an adjusted 0.33 cents a share on revenue. So 33 cents a share on revenue of 2.56 billion in the second quarter, and guided both third quarter numbers ahead of Wall Street estimates. Stock markets around the world are mixed. Japan's Nikkei up about 0.26%, led to gains in Asia, and France CAC down 0.09%, slips in Europe, and the S&P 500 is set to open down 0.24%, as we have already talked about. All right, let's see here. Earnings reports trickle out. American Eagle and Lowe's report ahead of the opening bell, while Hewlett Packard releases its quarterly results after market close. U.S. economic data flows. Market U.S. manufacturing and services PMIs will be released at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and new home sales will cross the wires at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The U.S. 10-year yield is up 1 basis point at 2.22%. So that's it as far as market news of any big deal. One thing that stuck out to me today that I was not aware of: South Africa's central bank says it's too risky to launch a cryptocurrency. It's very interesting that there is a central bank in South Africa. I was unaware of that, but it comes to no surprise. It explains a lot. Wherever there's a central bank, there is a lot of tomfoolery, as we know. All right, let's see what else. Let's see. $150 billion total cryptocurrency market cap hits new all-time high. The combined value of all publicly traded cryptocurrencies has set a new record, surpassing $150 billion for the first time today. Brazil's Ministry of Planning is testing blockchain identity tech. A government agency in Brazil is investigating how it could leverage blockchain technology to verify the legitimacy of ID documents. And here it begins, using the blockchain technology. Now, for government identification and tracking purposes. Very interesting to say the least. I did warn you about that. Exchange strains drive crypto exchange Kraken to trim trading pairs. Kraken is making some platform changes in a bid to reduce the strain on its cryptocurrency exchange. Ripple's XRP price climbs 40% on surge in Korean trading. The price of XRP, the cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, rose more than 40%. And congressional group pushes for blockchain security standards. Members of Congress are advancing research into blockchain security standards, according to a new podcast. So that is all the notables for today, for this morning. I don't see too much more here to really talk about. It's whoop-de-whoop, whoop-de-doo, and all that other good stuff. So with that being said, remember, postwavetrading.com. Come learn how to trade these markets, learn how to take advantage of what is happening in the world of markets. Postwavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.